We got it.
Guys,
catching
nice
a fish.
Guys, nice.
Big walleye.
Look at that.
Let's see it. Big jumbo. Big jumbo. Crofty! Big jumbo! Giant! Giant!
There he is. There he is. Oh, he's still on. There it is. Nice.
Oh, lifted it.
I wonder why this thing keeps going up.
Wow!
What happened?
I got whacked.
Yeah.
Didn't even mark it. It's small, but yeah, I don't want it to watch for hooks. Just watch for hooks. Okay, I got it. Okay. Well, wow, my drag is on tuna. Oh, of course, it just chomps down on both the trebles too.
Pliers?
Yeah, I'm gonna need them. Well, I haven't caught one on a ripping rap in quite some time, so that was kind of nice, but oh man. Oh man.
You eat it pretty good?
Yeah, he ate it, that's for sure. He was hangry. Let's see here what I can do. Perform some surgery here. Hopefully so I can. Ooh, it popped. There it popped.
Yeah, it's a little small.
Yeah, it's a little small for what we're looking for. Probably 11 inch Y.
That's at least 12.
Think so?
Yeah.
Alright, 12. We'll go with 12. But let him go. Let him grow. We'll let this one go. Down she goes. Awesome. Oh boy, didn't notice that.
That was him.
Huh?
That was him.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, okay.
That's what I'm saying though.
It was on his gill, I could see it.
Yeah. That thing started bleeding a little bit, but it went strong. I have no worries about it.
We're fine. Give me this bucket now. Let me get back to what I was doing.
Yeah, I know. But I'm sorry. Well, I'm sorry. Just, you act like I wanted to catch a fish at the most inopportune time. But
Hey, can we move that rod real quick too?
yeah, let me just rinse off. Wow, is that water cold? Holy. Alright, well Noah's getting set up here a little bit here. We're fishing Lake Vermilion, like we said. And Noah had one on earlier.
I caught
one. He caught one? Yeah, I would count that as a catch. What did you catch on? Jigging
Jigging
rap,
rap. Sitting dead.
Yeah, just a jigging rap just sitting there because we were getting stuff set up. And it came up his hole and it popped off and it went down his other hole.
Yep.
So that was unfortunate because that would have been a good keeper. That was a good fish. Probably 14, 15 solid, chunky fish. It was a good fish. That one I just caught on a UV orange ripping route. And we've heard the bite. We've heard a couple of tips that the bite of it has been hot on Lake Vermilion, especially this time of year is when I typically decide to come up here. Later in the year when there's just a lot more people that decide to come out, I just think the fishing turns down. Maybe that's from lack of experience fishing it or not being able to really get on the right spots, but this time of year, early ice is when I really like to fish this lake. So hopefully we can put a couple more walleyes topside and keep her going. Man, he is all over this walleye snare. Come on. Oh, there, I got him here. Here. I got him on this.
Look at that.
Small, really small.
I'm not getting up.
Don't even worry about it.
Another little walleye.
Yeah. That was cool. Just right in the top of the mouth. Perfect. That was not coming off. Just a little tiny, hard to see, sorry, lighting's kind of bad, but
It's dark outside.
dark outside, fishing outside. We're not fishing outside. Wanna kiss it?
Kiss the tail of that one.
You kiss the middle.
I was expecting that one in my mouth.
Well, either way, nice little walleye on
Go
Lake
back before
Vermilion.
you kill him.
Oh, we're not gonna kill him. He got a meal out of it. Second one for me. Back down it goes. Well, hello there, people. That is Foggy.
It's coming up. It's coming up.
Coming up. Come on, Noah. Take advantage. Gotta show him to the camera. Everyone wants to see that. Just toad. You can barely see it, it's so small in my hands. We're getting progressively smaller and smaller, but still fun to catch fish.
Progressively smaller is just waiting for us to get a big one. It's got to reset at one point.
That's right.
You can only get so small before you gotta go back to big.
I sure hope that's what's gonna happen.
I sure hope that's the theory. I still want to catch a burbot.
Aggressive though.
Yeah,
They've been aggressive towards me anyway.
blowing my mind, man. Kind of
That one I
dang
barely marked it again. I marked it and it raced right up.
I know. I couldn't get the camera recorded before it passed me.
We're gonna keep fishing and a couple more hours, I would assume, and see what we can do, and hopefully Noah can.
I've also got the burbot slayer on.
I was gonna say hopefully Noah can fulfill his goal here and get a nice burbot. Keep her tuned. So, one thing is, with where we're currently located, we're just kind of off a point, and with big kind of lakes like this, if you're fishing off points, I know I've been fishing this lake. My brother's been taking me to Lake Vermilion for years into this spot, so it's kind of just a word of mouth thing. But you said there's current running back in this way.
Yeah, I mean, before I've been fishing this lake for a long time. My cousin lives in this area, and I didn't even know he's been fishing this lake. I've been about 50 yards that way, so it's anywhere between 6 and 12 feet of water that you can be sitting in, and it seems kind of funky, but I mean, fish run this up in the evening, in the morning, all the time, and basically it's just off a main water point, off a main basin, point off a main basin. It's up to shallow water. It's nothing spectacular, nothing out of the ordinary, and you look for that in any sorts of body of water, you're gonna find fish.
Oh, whoa, oh yeah, come on.
If you get one more rip and wrap, I'm going to a rip and wrap.
I'm going to right now. Yep.
Holy cow, did he scream for that?
Oh, that's a bad miss.
That was a bad miss.
That's a bad miss.
Your drag might be taking like 2 clicks.
That was a bad miss.
He was a screamer right there.
Yeah.
He was coming.
I mean, I will admit, it was a smaller bite. It was another smaller fish, but that's beside the point that it shot up about 3 feet off bottom and I still missed it. Oh, darn. That stinks. Man, I don't think I've ever had this much luck with a rip and wrap in my life. Wait, he let go. Oh no!
You took too long.
I took too long. Oh boy. The struggle.
What am I doing?
I don't know.
I'm gonna pull a Crofty and go drill a hole about 4 feet that way and start catching all these fish.
Can't start catching them all that are roaming this way. Oh, I wonder if he stole my groceries.
15% off on everything also.
Get him.
Got him. Got him.
That looks about the same.
Yeah.
It's a tulipy.
Oh, if it is, I'm not going to be pleased.
That's a walleye.
Yeah, it's a decent one.
Bring him up here.
Oh, I'm trying.
Messing around.
I ain't messing around. I don't mess around. All right.
On there.
There's a little glow demon jig. You just are not a good fisherman.
We should spin this house around and then I can drill 2 more holes on that side of you and then I'll be okay.
Ouch! That hurt. Well, that would be a good keeper.
I ain't keeping fish. You can keep it if you want.
Look at that. Again, the minnow's just stuck right in his mouth. Hard to see, I know. But that's probably a 13, maybe 14 incher. Nah, we're not going to keep fish today. We made the executive decision. We don't want to clean fish tonight. So, lucky day, I guess. Kicks off hard. Well, guys, you missed it on camera, but what's new? I missed another one. We're getting ready to pack up here. We just lost heat. So, wait a
minute. Wait a minute. Is that a fish?
American one?
It's possible. It's possible.
I better reel up. I think he stole my groceries.
I think he's there.
He stole my groceries.
Or...
I guess I better put on
look at that. There's 3 lines here.
Get him! Noah!
Where's he going to?
Which one's he going to? You're gonna get whacked. You better be ready. Oh.
It's a good fish, man. Come on!
Yeah, it was a good fish. It hit me. If I drop my minnow one more time.
Got him.
Yep. Good fish or no?
That's better.
Okay.
Hurt the hole.
Oh, it's got a better one on.
Oh, it's better already.
Hey, it's better. And I think that's going to be a perfect way to end the day.
I think so too. I started the day with a fish. I'm going to end the day with a fish. Yeah, I ate my full minnow too on a jig.
Perfect.
Well, not the biggest fish in the world, but I think that's going to do it for us out here. It's what, 6:45?
Yep.
6:45, it's pitch black, we're in a snowstorm, it's a blizzard outside. I bet you could hear the wind. We just lost heat in here. And we're going to go home. So, anything else?
Oh, it wasn't a terrible afternoon. We got out here later than we wanted to. We got out here and started fishing around 4 o'clock. So we didn't get out here at the time we wanted to, and we caught how many? That was 6?
That was number 6.
That was number 6, and we missed a couple. So I mean, for a little over 2 hours, it's not awful.
No.
It wasn't awful, but...
No, especially for this lake too,
Yeah.
and our history with this lake, so...
Our history with this lake is not good. Let's put it at a nice way. It has not been ideal. But we've heard now that this is possibly transitioning to more of a morning bite, so maybe we'll get up here again, hopefully. But
I won't be up here again.
yeah, you gotta go home, but hopefully I'll get back up here again and try it one more time. But the one thing is we need to get going home because the roads are terrible. And it's going to be driving about 40 to 50 miles an hour the whole way home. So
for a 40-minute drive, it might take us an hour and a half, so we'll see.
But with that being said, until next time, keep her tuned.